was looking everywhere for you. I was getting quite scared. I didn't know where my new best friend was. But I found them. Come here, friend. All I want is a hug. It is in my name. Huggy, Wuggy. You heard my theme song? I'm not going to hurt you. I just simply want a friend. Monster? I'm not a monster. I'm everyone's friend. I'm Huggy Wuggy. Tell me, friend, have you ever, been in the back rooms after hours? Or even inside of the vents? I have. Although the vents seem to be a bit crowded nowadays. For some reason there happens to be body parts inside of the vents. Even in the construction zones, they seem to be finding body parts that seem to be ripped from bodies and ravaged by razor-sharp teeth. I wonder who that from. Don't hide from me, friend. I'm just merely joking around. Come on. Your good friend Huggy Wuggy wants a hug. Your good friend Huggy Wuggy wants to play. I know you're somewhere. You can't hide forever. I can smell you. I can hear your heart beat. Dum dum. Dum dum. Dum dum. Dum dum. Trust me, friend. Everyone wants to hug Huggy Wuggy. Everyone wants to be my friend. Don't you want to be my friend? Why are you scared? All I want is a friend. You know, friend, not a lot of people get to hear my voice. I guess you're special. I can still smell you, friend. You're inside of the conveyor belts. I can't wait to hug you. I can't wait to hug my new best friend. Being stuck inside of those construction belts are quite dangerous, friend. Last time there was an incident inside of those construction sites, and those belts you're standing on machine turned on when the construction workers were working on them. The belts started turning, like that one lullaby. Well, not a lullaby, more of a kid's favorite. You know the one. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. But the wheels on the bus were the cogs turning as the conveyor belts started moving. And I so happened to hear said cogs turning and knew exactly where those construction workers were being moved to. You know, friend, Mr. Huggy gets very lonely at night. Mr. Huggy doesn't have any friends at nighttime. I get so lonely. I get so hungry. I am so hungry. Can you help my hunger, friend? I'm so hungry, friend. Can you give Mr. Huggy a snack? Why are you not talking to me, friend? I know where you are. Friend, you smell delicious. You wouldn't mind, friend, if I took a little nibble out of your arms, or maybe even your abdomen, or even better, your head. I haven't had anything to eat in such a long time, friend. So please, do your best friend Huggy a favor and come closer to me. I would love to take a bite out of you. I would love to take a bite out of you. I would love to take a bite out of that skull of yours. I would love to hear the crunch of your bones inside of my mouth. Please, friend. Friend. Running from me is not gonna be an easy escape, friend. They all tried to escape from me. All of them tried to escape from me. None of them was successful.